Albert, you really got to start putting in some work. Why do I have to carry everything? Hello guys, welcome to the second and final part of this duology where we talk about my USGI gear. Last time we talked about my poncho and liner, and this time we're going to talk about the MSS or Military Sleep System. Let's get into it. Probably not actually supposed to hit it. It's a modular sleep system, not military. Now let's go. The MSS consists of 5 parts. 1, the patrol bag. 2, the intermediate cold bag. 3, the bivvy. 4 or 5, there's 2 compression sacks, 1 big and 1 small. In this case I replaced the big one with a waterproof compression bag that I use for my adventures, because I think it's better to have a waterproof one than the actual ones you get with it. The reason why it's called Modular Sleep System is because, believe it or not, you can actually modify it. So you can use just the patrol bag, you can use the patrol bag plus bivvy, you can use the intermediate cold bag, or the intermediate cold bag plus bivvy, and last but not least, the intermediate cold bag, the patrol bag, and the bivvy in those really extreme conditions. When using all the 3 parts of the MSS, you first use the bivvy, then the patrol bag, and closest to your body you use the intermediate cold bag. Something that I really like about the MSS is that on all the parts you have instructions on how to use it and keep it clean. So even if you're out in the wild and you don't have a signal, you still know exactly what to do. On the bivvy and the sleeping bags you have buttons so you can easily connect it, and then once it's time to sleep and you're using all 3, it's just enough to close the bivvy, and then you don't have to close all 3 and open all 3 once you want to get in and out. Let's go through some of the similarities and differences between the patrol bag and the intermediate bag. The patrol bag is thinner, it's meant for warmer climates of course. It has drawstrings here on the sides or on the top. It comes with Velcro, and then there's 2 zippers, so it's a 2-way opening, so you have one down here at the bottom as well. Looking at the intermediate bag, it also comes with Velcro here at the top. It has this drawstrings as well. It's of course a lot thicker. Besides that, you have a collar here on the inside as well, which you can adjust with this strap here to keep all the warmth from your body inside the bag. The bags are filled up with a synthetic material. That's good when you're in a wet weather situation or if it's really cold outside. The bad thing is that the bags become quite bulky. Alright guys, so that concludes the review. Now I just want to share some quick tips on how I use the whole system together with the poncho. As I mentioned in the previous video, you're going to need some tent stakes and cordage. On the ground I use a space blanket. Not only will it keep you warmer, drier, cleaner, it will also protect your gear. If you don't like insects, it could be really good to use a... Good, you're really working today. The sky is really the limit when it comes to a setup like this. If you have 2 ponchos, you can connect them together, build a tent. With the MSS, you can go from a tropical environment all the way to a extreme cold situation at the Arctic Circle or wherever you want to be. It's extremely durable, it's versatile, it's cheap, so it's a really good setup. This is it for this time, guys. I hope you like the reviews, the story, and yeah, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Semper Fi.
Hej då!